Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a simple program in VS Code in Java. So as you can see this Java program, here is a simple program to print hello world. So the basic understanding of Java is purely object oriented programming language. So as you can see, uh, I have given the class name as sample, and in the class I have declared the main method, which is core of your Java program, because JVM will search for the main method to start the execution of your Java program. So under that I have written some statement to print. So the system.out.println, and in that, within the double quotes I have print hello world. So whatever you have mentioned in the double quotes, it will reflect in your it will print the line whatever is there in the double quotes. So that's it for the today's video, and stay tuned for the more videos, because we are going to start the Java lectures from today onwards. Thank you so much, and do comments under the video what kind of topic you want me to cover. Thank you so much.